Yo, Minecraft crew, welcome to 1 Minute IT Shot. Struggled to keep my server running smoothly until I tried Shockbyte in 2025. Let's break it down in this few-minute review. Smash that like button and subscribe. Let's roll. We're checking out Shockbyte, a hosting service I've come to trust. They've been rocking the game since way back, shining in Asia, Pacific, and Australia with top-notch speed from powerful CPUs and speedy SSDs. Your server stays up non-stop with solid DDoS protection, ideal for vanilla, paper, or modded Forge worlds. They cover all key Minecraft updates, including 1.215 with easy one-click mod and plugin setups. Costs kick off at a budget-friendly rate. Hit my description link for the scoop. But you can upgrade RAM and player slots as your crew expands. Plus, they toss in a 72-hour refund, so you can dive in without worry. The dashboard is slick and user-friendly. You can tweak files, drop in mod packs, invite players, adjust world seeds, and track performance on the fly. I'm hooked on how smooth it feels, even for first-timers. Support's a mixed bag, though. They offer an AI chatbot, but for real help, it's through a ticket system, email style. No live chat can be a bummer if you're in a pinch, but their detailed guide library saves the day for quick fixes. To get started, click my link below, grab a plan, and fire up your server fast. I suggest the Emerald option, $24 a month for 8 GB of RAM, perfect for juggling vanilla and modded play. Sign up, boot it up, and boom, you're in charge. I built a server with Shockbyte for my squad last month, loaded it with mods, and it handled our chaos like a champ. For me, it's a solid choice for value and power, even with the support catch. Give it a shot. Drop your go-to server host in the comments. Peace out and keep gaming.